Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB 48 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into settings, scroll all the way down and tap on printing. As you can see, I don't have any printing service, so I have to click on add service and click to correct one. I have HP printer, so I have to click on it, choose install and wait. You don't have to open your printing service right away, you can always go back into the same settings. Scroll down and go into printing services over here. So click on printing, tap on HP print service and click on the switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!